Yep.
Killed my GoPro.
Alright, there it is, all of its nice glory, taken apart, a couple hundred pieces, give or take. Majority of everything is ready to reassemble. Actually, everything is ready to reassemble, nothing is left. Chassis all broke down, cages all broke down, differential's been gone through, front and rear and center. So all that is left now is to reassemble and test. We've even swapped out one of the broken gears. So join me while I try to do a build montage. It's easier for me to build in sections. I also leave the screws in most parts where I can. This way they don't all get lumped into a pile. By doing this, it makes the final assembly much faster. Notice how I have all my parts laid out in groups? I have to label my craft paper so I don't forget where all the parts go on the truck. Fun fact, under this craft paper is my table saw. Notice the 4-foot tape measure down the left side. It's the white strip with all the numbers. I use my garage for everything, from wrenching on the RCs to wrenching on the family's daily drivers. Also a wood shop for building some furniture and knickknacks for the wife when I'm not being lazy or making videos or running the RCs. I'm just using some 3M clear double-sided tape to attach the receiver to the receiver box. That way when I go to remove it later or someone else, it's not too hard. But it's enough that holds the receiver where it needs to be. It's not like the factory stuff. That stuff's like glue. Right about now I should have realized I needed to put the driver's cockpit in before the roll cage assembly. But I failed to do that. As you can see, it was sitting in the upper right hand corner of the screen, staring at me, mocking me. Put me in, put me in. But like a fool, I keep pressing on, building away. Another fun fact for you. Excuse me. All the shots in this video that are sped up have been sped up 700 times from normal speed. That's why it's flying. I had to do this or the video would have been 3+ hours long. Nobody wants to see me that long. Not even my wife. Just look at that pace. Flying in a rush, not even noticed the terrible camera angle. Sorry about that, y'all. My gimbal battery died. Another fun fact, my chickens love mealworms. As you'll notice to the right of the screen, with the little bag of chickens right above my logo. Those are mealworms, and those chickens go nuts for them. They'll follow you about anywhere you want them to go. It's quite fun. And yes, my garage is a mess. Circle back around to the garage is a multi-use space. That's why it's a mess. Stay with me though, the camera angle will get better. There you go. That's a much better camera angle. Oh, what's going on? Good gravy. Well, here we go again. With that camera angle. I'm sorry, y'all. I was too busy working to even notice what's going on. But if you're epileptic or have problems, better look away, because there's about to be a fun ride down to the bottom. This time though, it's not the gimbal's fault. Straight up fell out of my holder. Here we go. Oh man. And now we're back. For some reason or another, I like to build things. Fix them up if broken. I usually break a lot of it, so somebody has to fix it. My mind is a mechanical thinker mind. Well, that's what I call it anyway. Been that way all my life, I think. I like knowing how things work. What about you? What kind of mind do you have? Comment below. Let me know. Try to keep it clean. At least, you know, decent. Still trucking right along, thrashing to get this truck together. Not even noticed the interior mistake yet still. Not even sure how I thought I was going to get it even in there. I mean, look at all that. The roll cage is not offering a very good way to get it in there unless I take something out. Maybe I'll take the top out. I think if I take the top roll bar section out, I can probably just squeeze it in there. Tooltip: get a mechanic's pick set. They are great to have when it comes to getting in tight places with wires. That's the orange handle tool in my hand right now. Using it to fish the wire through the receiver box. This set has many different angled ends. A 90-degree end, a straight end, one that could be used as a punch, and a 45-degree end one. Still oblivious to the interior though. Focused on other stuff. You can get that mechanics pick set. Mine is a cheapie from Harbor Freight. No sponsor by anybody except for my own wallet. That's who sponsors me. Well, my wife, I guess. She might. But back to this. Still oblivious to that interior though. Oh man, would have been so much easier. Look at this. I'm now going to put on the side, more side parts. Hard to believe, I know, because of this mistake here, but I occasionally will look at the manual. But for the most part, I just rebuild from memory what little I have left and how I have it laid out. When I get stumped or need to verify the placement of something, for example, screw size. Screw sizes are in the parts diagram of your manual, well, Traxxas anyway, or exploded views online in the manual. You can use a caliper for measuring the screw length, which is important. Too long and it might bottom out and not tighten up fully seating, or pulling the parts together. Too short and it could pull loose on the first impact or crash, damaging the threads. With the manual and a caliper for measuring, you can find the exact screw length for that spot. I wish my real life job would go by this fast. Wouldn't that be something? Work life at 700 times speed so I can get back to making more videos for you all. Then once you're done working, time slows back down to normal speed so you can enjoy your day, enjoy your family time. And now it looks like we're fast approaching the moment you're waiting for. Notice the fingers tapping on the table. Look at this. What a shame. Like I'm gonna get that in there. Oh, wait a minute. Still trying. There we go. Got it. Yep, you just saw me trying to fit that interior in through the top. Removed a couple of screws and I got her in there now. Good thing it flexes. Man, so close to the finish now. If you're still here watching this, comment below. Let me know what you think about this type of video. Like it or hate it. Let me know. Be honest, I can take it. I hope I didn't lose too many people. This is one of my longest videos probably ever. I was going to do a bunch of little notes in the video, but somebody advised me against it and said, would you watch a video with a bunch of notes in it, or would you rather have a voiceover? So we're going to give this voiceover stuff a try. May crash and burn, may work. I don't know. We'll see. Here we go. Alright, here we are. Finished up finally. Got it all done. Every part on this thing has been touched, cleaned, or greased. Excuse me. If you haven't seen it, obviously check out all my previous videos about it, where I go through every nut and bolt on this thing, checking it out to make sure it is right. Picked it up used. Trying to probably just flip it, turn around and sell it. It doesn't want to sit real good on my lift. That's okay. But like I said, everything on it's been cleaned. See, it's all clean. Same thing for the rear. Spare drive shaft shines, fake batteries shine, useless fans in the back, imitation useless fans that shine, but you go, Traxxas. Shocks are nice and shiny. Everything works. Sides just got a little dust on them, that's all that is. Interior's all nice and shiny. It's like a brand new truck. You can see the front again. Even the underneath. Just like brand new. Now we're going to take it out and give it a test. Make sure it works.
Did you just run over the camera?
Maybe. It's okay, it's a GoPro.
I thought so.
I hit it a lot worse the other day.
What the hell is that? I'm sorry I got that on video.
So much for the GoPro stand.
Well, that was not nice. Yeah, there goes my leg.
You just don't get out.